Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by hunting the main intrusion routes. Check door bottoms, window frames, attic hatches, and HVAC vents for gaps larger than 1/8 inch. Once done, prioritize fixes. Install 1/2 foam weather stripping on doors, add a door sweep, and apply silicone caulk to window seams. Make sure to cover exhaust vents with fine mesh and turn the HVAC off during work so you don't push dust into the house. This immediate sealing reduces new dust load fast and sets up the next steps. Next, attack the dust already inside. Vacuum with a HEPA unit and wipe surfaces with damp microfiber, working top to bottom so you don't resettle particles. Once done, upgrade your HVAC filter to MERV 13 or a HEPA-compatible option and clean returns and register grills. Run the fan on continuous low for 24-48 hours to flush airborne dust to the new filter. Make sure to add heavy-duty doormats and a shoe-off rule so you prevent tracked-in dirt. And wash. To finish, create a simple maintenance loop. Vacuum high-traffic zones weekly, dust with damp cloths, and replace HVAC filters every 3 months or sooner. Once in place, monitor indoor humidity at 40 to 50%. This reduces airborne particles and dust mite activity. If you still see excessive dust despite these steps, inspect attic insulation and ductwork for hidden leaks. Make sure to seal gaps or consult a pro. A quick troubleshooting tip. If dust spikes after sealing, recheck return vents for attic infiltration and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.